Are you dreaming of celebrating Easter with a touch of French elegance and charm? Want decor ideas that feel romantic, rustic, and effortlessly chic at the same time? Curious how the French blend pastel beauty, vintage accents, and natural elements for spring celebrations? Looking for table settings, egg displays, and floral touches that feel straight out of a countryside chateau? Then stay tuned, because today we're exploring French Easter decor ideas that bring Parisian elegance and countryside warmth into every corner of your home. What defines French-style Easter decor? French Easter decor is rooted in elegance, softness, and natural beauty. Think pastel tones, antique finishes, porcelain accents, and delicate fabrics like linen and lace. The goal is to create a space that feels timeless and romantic, rather than overly festive or bright. Which colours create an authentic French Easter aesthetic? Soft pastel palettes such as blush pink, lavender, sage green, cream and duck egg blue are essential. These hues reflect spring blossoms and countryside serenity, helping your decor feel calm, airy and sophisticated. If you love elegant decor ideas, give this video a like and share it with friends planning their Easter celebration. How can I create a French-inspired Easter table setting? Start with a linen tablecloth or neutral runner, then layer vintage-style plates and glassware. Add folded cloth napkins tied with twine and a sprig of rosemary or lavender to create a refined yet rustic presentation. What centerpieces capture French countryside charm? Use fresh tulips, peonies or wildflowers arranged in ceramic pitchers or distressed vases. Pair them with candles or small woven baskets to create a warm, farmhouse-style centerpiece. Tell us in the comments which spring flower best represents Easter for you. How do the French decorate Easter eggs? French Easter eggs often feature muted tones, hand-painted florals, gold leaf accents, or natural dye finishes. Display them in ceramic bowls or vintage trays for a refined and artistic touch. What are creative ways to display Easter eggs? Arrange eggs in moss-filled baskets, glass cloches, or rustic wooden crates. You can also place them around candles or within wreaths to create charming focal points. For more spring decorating inspiration, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can I decorate with chocolate eggs and treats the French way? Place artisanal chocolate eggs and bunny figurines in decorative trays or glass jars. This not only adds visual charm, but also creates an inviting display for guests and children alike. What lighting creates a cozy French Easter atmosphere? Use warm candles, soft fairy lights, or vintage-style lanterns to create gentle illumination. The warm glow enhances pastel tones and gives your space a cozy evening ambiance. Subscribe for more elegant seasonal decor ideas inspired by European style. How can I decorate my entryway for Easter in French style? Hang a spring wreath made of dried flowers or greenery and place a small console display with a ceramic bunny, candles, and a floral arrangement. This creates a welcoming and refined first impression. What role do natural elements play in French Easter decor? Natural textures like wicker baskets, moss, fresh greenery, and wooden accents reflect the French countryside aesthetic. These elements add warmth and keep the decor grounded and organic. Love these elegant touches? Find similar decor pieces linked in the description below. How can I create a French Easter brunch setup? Use tiered trays for pastries, croissants and macarons, paired with fresh flowers and pastel dishware. Keep the arrangement simple yet refined to evoke a charming Parisian cafe feel. What fabrics and textures enhance the French aesthetic? Linen, lace, cotton, and light woven textiles create softness and elegance. Layering textures adds depth while keeping the look relaxed and naturally beautiful. For more decor inspiration like this, explore our similar videos listed in the description. How can I decorate a kids' corner while keeping French elegance? Use soft pastel baskets filled with eggs, small plush bunnies, and delicate garlands. Keeping colours muted ensures the space stays playful yet cohesive with the overall decor. How do vintage accents enhance French Easter decor? Antique frames, distressed trays, porcelain figurines, and aged metal pieces bring timeless charm. These elements help create a nostalgic, storybook-like atmosphere. If you enjoy timeless decorating ideas, make sure to subscribe for more inspiration every week. How can I achieve French Easter decor on a budget? Repurpose glass jars as vases, use garden flowers, paint eggs with natural dyes, and shop thrift stores for vintage-style pieces. French decor is about charm and simplicity rather than expensive items. French Easter decor is all about soft elegance, natural textures, and timeless charm. By combining pastel palettes, rustic floral arrangements, artistic egg displays, and cozy lighting, you can transform your home into a serene spring retreat. Start with a beautiful table, add natural accents, and let simplicity guide your design, creating a celebration that feels warm, inviting, and unmistakably French. If you enjoyed these French Easter decor ideas, like this video and